What's a request for order? If you need to ask the court to order spousal support so that you can pay your bills or maybe get a lawyer, you will need to file a request for order, which is a 4-page form. You fill out the sections that are relevant to what you want the court to order. It can be for spousal support, control of a community asset like a business or house, or to stop the other party from taking some action that you think would cause you financial harm or cause the marriage financial harm. You can tell the judge what you want and why in Section 10, which is for facts in support of request. If you need more space, you can attach a separate declaration up to 10 pages in length that must comply with the formatting requirements of 12-point type and 1.5 line spacing or double space. A declaration is supposed to be facts that support what you want. This is not the place to tell the judge about a messy spouse and how they cheated on you. Think Joe Friday, just the facts. Where you both work, how much you both earn, what your bills are, what your medical conditions are, what their medical conditions are. The more focused and specific you are on a fact, the easier it is for a judge to understand what you want and why. Temporary spousal support. When you are first asking for spousal support, it is called temporary because it is being decided before the judge has a trial. Generally, it's based on a computer program that takes into consideration your income, the other party's income, tax filing status, and a few other factors. It's what's called guideline support. A judge has the right to order guideline support or some other amount if they feel that it is fair and equitable to each party. Wage assignment orders. Once a judge has made an order for temporary spousal support, they can order that an employer pay the support directly out of the supporting spouse's paycheck. This can be a good thing for both parties in that the supporting spouse doesn't have to write a check every 2 weeks, and the supported spouse can have the support directly deposited into their bank account. This is Form FL 345 and it's a 1-page form. If you file a request for order, you must also file an income and expense declaration and serve both the RFO and the INE on the other party in a timely fashion so that they have enough time to review the forms and prepare their responsive declaration, which is their answer, and provide their income and expense declaration. If you are seeking the court to order that you get control of a company or a family business, maybe the home, this is very, very technical, and I want to encourage you to at least speak with an attorney first to get additional information on what and how to proceed. It's a very difficult process, and you can make a mistake easily. Changing job situations. After a request for order has been filed, or maybe even granted, sometimes people lose their jobs, or their financial situation changes in such a way that they are no longer able to make their spousal support payments, or they need more support. If that happens to you, you must then file a new RFO, a new request for order, and ask that the court reevaluate the spousal support award. If you are a salaried person and you lost your job through no fault of your own, the judge may lower your spousal support. Remember that it usually takes about 6 to 10 weeks to get in front of a judge no matter what you do. So long as you are under a court order, you must continue to pay the amount you have been ordered to pay. If you are self-employed, you too can ask the court to lower your spousal support if something has happened to your business that has caused a drop in income to you. But be aware that the court will require a great deal of supporting documentation. They want to know what's going on with your business and why you suddenly can't make what you were making. They are often skeptical when a self-employed person suddenly can't make their bills after they've been able to for a period of time previously. You must do the same things to file a request for order. Fill out the form, add a current income and expense declaration, prepare your declaration, and serve on the other party along with the proof of service.